Hi folks, Rob here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be posting vlogs about once a week on bodyweight training and me trying to learn to flip and get more flexible at my somewhat advanced age. So it could be interesting for some of you guys to watch. I feel like I've got a few gems of knowledge that I've picked up over the years to share. It's also just for selfish reasons so that I can see how awesome I'm becoming, hopefully. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you're keen to follow along. Videos are going to come out once a week. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, quick golden knowledge tidbit for you today. If you're learning a new skill, like I've been trying to learn tricking for the last year, probably a bit longer, stop practicing when you're still fresh. So throw some good, like whatever it is, if it's handstands, if it's a new trick. Do some good ones, stop when you're fresh, right? It's not strength training, it's skill training. So you're not trying to push yourself until you can't move, because all you're doing then is practicing a bad skill. It's like hitting your hand with a hammer and then trying to learn to play the piano. So I don't play the piano, but I'd imagine that wouldn't work. So stop when you're fresh, come back again tomorrow. Otherwise you're just ingraining a poor learning pattern. So yeah, golden knowledge tidbit number one. Another golden tidbit, for strength, 3 sets seems to be the magic number. Makes you stronger, doesn't make you excessively sore, and you can do it again quicker. Hey guys, thanks for watching my first vlog, or second vlog really, but first sort of proper one. I know some of the transitions are probably a bit clunky, but bear with me, I'm just getting started. Still editing this on my phone because I haven't figured out how to do it on the computer. But if you enjoyed it, subscribe and click the notification bell. Videos out every Thursday or Friday. Thanks again for watching. See you again next week.